creatives. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all safe and doing well. If this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you. And if you see something that will inspire you, motivate you to get up and do some DIYs, make sure you then subscribe to the channel. And for my old faithful, my good creative friends, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. The channel is continuing to grow, and that's all because of you. So with that all being said, let's continue with what I want to do in today's video. Now, I won't be doing any arts and crafts. I won't be doing any cleaning. I won't be showing any lifestyle. I won't be doing any decorating. Today, I want your help because I ordered a entry table or sofa table. I want to do some changing up in the living room, dining room, and my entryway, but I'm not sure what I'm looking for. So I want to put together this one little table that I have. I want to do that, and then I want you to help me decide where I should put it. And if I put it in a particular area, what should I put in the other areas? So with that being said, let's go ahead and put this piece together. So I might have to get on the floor for that. So let me turn off the camera and move it around a bit. So here is the box. I know it doesn't look like it's much, but it's all in little small pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. And I've had this for a few days. I just wasn't sure of what I want to do with it. All right, I have everything out the package. I have my instructions here, and it's laid out. 1, 2, 3, 2 of number 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 of 8, and over here I have 9, 2, 10, 2, and this is 11 here. So I have all my pieces laid out. So it's telling me the first thing I want to do is take all of the screws and put them where they're supposed to be. And starting with F, and F goes for the legs. So let's get those screwed in. Or I said legs or feet. So the wooden dowels go here to hold these together, and then you have these screws to tighten them and hold the shelving unit together. Next, okay, 9 at the bottom. Then we want to take 1 and 2. 1, 1 and 2 goes here, and E. Next, we go 7 and 8, which is just like the other two. This is 7. Here's my 2 7s. Here's my 2 8s. And we're just gonna roll with it. It goes like this. 10. So here's 10. And here's 10. This is the long way. So I'm thinking it should be like this, right? And then it's saying, oh, it's saying these should line up with those. Okay, got it. Put them up. And now I want to take the last bracket, 3, and it goes like this. This is what I did wrong. I bolted these on the inside instead of the outside. So let me turn that around, take this out, turn it around, and I'll come right back. So here is my little cabinet. Now, initially, I bought it to go here because this cabinet goes in the dining room. So this one should go here. But I also wanted it to replace it with, I'm sorry, excuse the boxes, but you know, we're working and talking about this. I want to replace this table. But let me just show you what I wanted to replace it with. For there, under the window, I wanted to replace it with this table. Now, as you can see, it is like a fluted wood cabinet. This is just to go here, directly under the window. And this was my second choice for right here to replace this table. Let me stand up so you can see it. So normally I just keep this table and this table, of course, match the coffee table and the end table. But since I redid my fireplace, it's just so white. The walls are tan, the fireplace is tan. So I just thought that wood would do it good there. And since I have a cabinet here, I took this one out of my dining room, and this was a DIY. Let me just show you what I want to replace it with. This was my choice to replace this cabinet. So if you can see, this one is the same size I was looking for. This one is 31 inches wide, and the other one that I want to use under the window, I think it's either 39 or 41. Let's see, something like that. It's either 39 or 41 inches wide, and that it actually is 47. The first one was 47 inches, so that's why I want to do that there. So since you guys are watching, let me know if I should use this and buy the larger one to fit here. Let me just put it over here so you guys can see. Let me put the camera on the tripod. Hold on one second. So I will be replacing that cabinet with this, and on the same side of the window it would be the same. So I'm going to show you what this would look over there. My only concern is I'm getting so much white here, so I thought the wood will give it a different look, but let you see the other side. And here is what it will look under this window. Again, if you look at the fireplace and this, even though I'm going to get a larger one, I just think it's a lot of white. Before I show you that, this is a look at the other table. This is what will be under the window. A lot of white. So, and the last thing I could do with this one would be I could add it here in my entryway. I actually really truly want to get rid of this one, and I thought about putting wood there, but I think all wood going up the stairs will be really heavy because there's already so much wood there. So I think that cabinet would really look good here. So that's my final choice, and that's what I think I like most, but I'm not sure because I do like it in the living room. This table I want to get rid of altogether. Again, like I said, I can't replace this table and this cabinet all at one time. So I would take the table in the hallway and put it here until such time I can buy both tables. But I'm waiting on you guys to help me make a decision. I won't be ready to buy anything until probably October, November. So with you guys' help, I can make the right decisions, and hopefully it's something that I could be happy with. So on that note, I'm going to end this video. The cabinet was really simple to put together. It took me about 40 minutes, but it should take like half an hour with all the pieces because I did have to take a piece of loose. I put it together inside out, but you know how that goes. So that's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a comment on the decisions that I need to make. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload all of these videos pertaining to my foyer, my dining room, and my living room. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Peace out.